Hello everyone. Today we're going to review the B&W Tow and Stow with 5 inches of drop and 5.5 inches of rise with a dual ball for your 2-inch receiver. Let's go ahead and take a look. The most important feature of the Tow and Stow is this anti-theft. It is built in so that you can remove and change out the dual ball mount for a tri-ball mount, but once it's locked onto the vehicle, you will not be able to remove it. Go ahead and pick up a locking device at your nearest local U-Haul, like the Warlock or the Warlock 3. With the Tow and Stow locked to the vehicle, you will not be able to remove the dual mount or the tri-mount. These 2 receiver pins can be removed to place the mount in the use position and reinsert our pins. This 3rd pin is how we select what size ball we want, as well as put it in our stored position. So you'll notice it's in the rear hole for the stored position. Once you make your selection, 2-inch or 2 5/16, you will lock it in the forwardmost hole. We do have this mount in the 5 inches of drop position. Should you want to utilize less, we simply need to remove these receiver pins and we can raise the height of the mount. B&W does offer an additional accessory you can purchase, a step that we can place onto the mount. It will include 2 larger receiver pins, so we need to remove these 2 pins and place the step over it. Your ball mount size can be selected while the step still is installed. As well, it can be stored and out of the way. Now, in order to stow this, we are going to have to remove the step, but we can reinstall the step as well after we've stowed the mount fully. Should you find that you damage or lose one of your stainless steel pins, U-Haul has you covered with extras for purchase at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center. As well, I will link them in the description below. You can also purchase separately a hitch silencer to install on the Tow and Stow mount. Place the components on the Tow and Stow and place it back on the vehicle. Note that you must have at least a 1/2 inch of clearance between the collar of your receiver and the back of the Tow and Stow in order to use this product. Our clamp block has 2 thicknesses, thicker, thinner. In this instance, for our 2-inch receiver, we want the thinner side to be up with the clamp block and the mounting shank being on the thin side. Now insert the clamp block through the clamp strap. We can now fully insert our Tow and Stow. The silencer will include 2 set screws. For a 2-inch receiver, we're going to use the longer set screw and install it into the silencer. That concludes our review of the B&W Tow and Stow with 5 inches of drop and 5.5 inches of rise and a 2-inch and 2 5/16 ball. Thank you for watching. We can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.